How do I finalize a pro-Southeast divorce? Are you considering finalizing a divorce without hiring an attorney? You are not alone. Many people choose to representing themselves in divorce proceedings, known as pro-Southeast divorce. Let's break down the steps you need to take to finalize your pro-Southeast divorce effectively. First, you need to meet the residency requirements of your state. For instance, in Texas, at least one spouse must have lived in the state for a minimum of 6 months and in the county where you file for at least 3 months. Make sure you check your state's specific rules as they can vary. Next, you will need to prepare and file the divorce petition. This is the initial legal document that officially starts the divorce process. The petition outlines your grounds for divorce and other important details. You must file this document with the appropriate court, typically the district court in your county. Once you have filed the petition, the next step is to serve the divorce papers to your spouse. This means you must legally notify them by delivering the divorce petition and any other required documents. Proper service is crucial for the court to have jurisdiction over your spouse and to move forward with the case. If your divorce is uncontested, meaning both parties agree on all major issues, you can negotiate and finalize agreements. This includes decisions about dividing assets and debts, child custody and visitation, child support, and spousal support. Document these agreements clearly to avoid any confusion later. You may also need to complete additional required forms depending on your state. These could include financial disclosures, parenting plans, or settlement agreements. Some forms may requiring notarization, so be prepared for that. After filing, many states have a mandatory waiting period before the divorce can be finalized. For example, Texas has a waiting period of 60 days after filing. This time allows for reflection and any necessary negotiations. Once the waiting period is over, you may need to attend a final hearing. During this hearing, a judge will review your paperwork and agreements. If everything is in order and your divorce is uncontested, the judge will issue a final divorce decree. Finally, once the judge signs the decree, your divorce is legally finalized. This document confirms the end of your marriage and outlines the terms you and your spouse agreed upon or that the court ordered. Keep in mind that managing a pro-Southeast divorce requires careful attention to detail. Follow all court rules and deadlines, and ensure that all paperwork is completed accurately. While representing yourself can save money on attorney fees, it is best suited for straightforward, uncontested cases. If disputes arise, or if your case is complicated, consulting a lawyer may be wise to protect your rights and interests.